In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the new Photoshop Generative Fill. Now to use this, you need the Photoshop beta. I don't believe it's been fully released yet, but you would have to update your Photoshop just to get the Photoshop data version. So to quickly show you two ways to use this that a lot of people use, I use it this way. It's really simple, but it's really, really effective. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to expand this photo by using the crop tool, and I'll just make a little bit of space here. So you have the white space here. So what I'm going to do here is select your marquee tool, and I'm going to select all the white space, but I'm also going to select just a little bit of the actual picture, and that's a key point. So what you're going to do here is you're going to hit Generative Fill, and you don't have to type anything in for this example here, so you're just going to hit Generate. So after the program is done processing, what it's going to do is it'll give you three options here. So you can choose between three different prompts that you want to keep, and I think I'm going to keep this one. That looks a little bit clean. And now you can see that the photo has been expanded. It's a bigger picture, but what you can also do is go back and select your layer again. You can use something like your lasso tool here, and then just draw kind of a circle, kind of an area where you want something to be at. So I'm going to draw a circle right next to the dog here, and then I'm going to hit Generative Fill. And for here, you can hit something like red ball, and what it's going to do, it's going to generate a red ball sitting next to the dog. Kind of wait for it to do its thing, and again it'll give you three different prompts to kind of select what you want, and you can hit generate a couple more times if you want, really no big deal. And those are two really simplistic ways to use Generative Fill in Photoshop to make custom pieces, to expand on something, and there's just so many things that you can do with it. So I hope you guys found this helpful, and go and have fun with it. Hope this helps.